Hi, my name is Scott Leithem and I'm an engineer here at Keysight Technologies. Today I'm going to show you a demo I have on testing Internet of Things solutions. So in this demo, what I'm going to show you is a device that I have here. It's a Texas Instruments device, and it has a lot of sensors on it, so it might be used in an industrial Internet of Things environment on a factory floor or something like that to capture data and then send that to some access point. And so what we're doing is we're testing the ability of that device to transmit the signal, to not pollute adjacent channels, to have a very clean transmission, and for our access point to be able to recognize that signal and really just be able to capture that data and get the data that we're trying to transmit. So what I'm showing here is Bluetooth Low Energy. What I have is a script I'm running that allows me to send Bluetooth Low Energy packets from this Texas Instruments device. And for hardware, what I'm using to capture this signal is I have an antenna here, and it's going into my RF input port of my M9420A VXT, which is our vector transceiver from Keysight. It's a PXIe modular solution that we have. It has a source and an analyzer in 4 slots. So I'm able to do any kind of vector signal generation or analysis that's required to test these kinds of signals. It offers analysis bandwidth up to 160 megahertz. So for most of these applications, the bandwidth is much less than that. But in this case, it's flexible, so if your solution requires wider bandwidth, it can handle that. Additionally, because of its PXIe form factor, we're able to add other instruments in there. If you're trying to test things like current drain, you could add a source measurement unit, and then you could be testing the battery drain on your device at the same time as you're testing the transmission. So that's kind of the key advantages of this form factor. So in this demo, I'm going to show you a Bluetooth application. So this looks very similar to our other products. We try to use very similar applications on all of our products. This is our Bluetooth application, and I can go in and very quickly set up a measurement. This is a transmit analysis measurement, and what it allows you to do is see the RF envelope of the signal, so power versus time. It allows you to see the spectrum and the demodulation waveform. So we're looking at a deviation in frequency with respect to time. Okay, a lot of these measurements are in the Bluetooth standard, so in order to comply with the standard, you have to make these measurements. And what this application does is it allows you to very quickly make the measurements and see if you're compliant with the standard. Additionally, we have other software tools that you can use to really do any kind of development and debugging of your device, and that's something that is available on all different kinds of hardware that we have. So we try to be consistent in our software so that you can choose the hardware that matches best to your application.